Good morning everybody. My name is Tej Bahadur Thapa, mathematics teachers, and today I am going to teach discount and VAT. Discount and VAT, and I already practiced some questions in the related question of the discounts, and next continue the lessons. Please listen please. Question number 1. After 12% discount, the price of an article is Rs 1320, 1320. Find the mark price. MP is equals to RS X late, MP is equals to, and discount is equals to 12%. Discount is equals to 12%, and selling price is equals to SP is equals to RS 1320 by formula SP is equals to 100 minus 20% of what's MP. Once more please. First of all, you find the discount amount, then discount MP minus discount amount will be selling price. First of all 12% of MP, then MP minus discount percent, that is also same, and this one also same, and RS or 1320, what will be that? 88 by percent means 100 into MP means X. Then calculate please here. 1320 is equals to 0.88 X, and X is equals to 1320 divided by 0.88. Therefore, what is the value of X? What is the value of X? 1320 divided by 0.88, it will be RS 1500, 1500 is the required amount. Once more please, MP is what's? MP means Rs X late, and discount is equals to what? Discount is equals to 12%, and SP is equals to RS 1320. By formula SP is equals to, if the discount, it will be subtract from 100 minus 12% of MP. Then what is SP? SP is 1320 is equals to 88 by 100 into X. Then 88 divided by 100, it will be 0.88 X. Then X is equals to 1320 divided by 0.88, then divide using the calculator, it will be 1500. Hence mark price be price be RS or is mark price is RS 1500. It is required answer. And next, number two, what is number two? A salesman offer a discount of 12% on the vacuum cleaner, which is marked rules 5400 5400 and still makes a profit of rupees 85. What is the cost price of the vacuum cleaners? First of all, number two, solution. First of all, MP is equals to RS 5400 5400, and next discount is equals to what's 12%. Next, profit is equals to RS 85, and next cost price CP is equals to what? First of all, find the selling price. If the MP and discount is given, we easily find out the selling price. And selling price by formula SP is equals to SP is equals to 100 minus 12% of MP. What is MP? 5400. 88 by 100 into 5400. 20 cancel. 88 into 54. 88 into 54. 4752. Therefore, what is that? It is SP 4752. It is selling price, and selling price is here, and profit also 85. And again profit is equals to SP minus CP. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. What is profit? RS 85 is profit. And what is selling price? RS 4752 minus CP is CP. And you write here, or CP is here, it's equals to RS 4752 change to another side minus RS 85, then it's equals to, therefore CP is equals to, subtract please here, 47 52 minus 52 47 52 minus 85 46 67 is required answer. What is that? It is CP. Hence cost price of vacuum cleaner is RS 4667, it is required answer. Hence, the cost price of vacuum cleaner is rupees 4667. Once more please, listen carefully. Question number 2, MP is equals to 5400 and discount is equals to 12%, profit is equals to RS 85, then find the cost price is what? By formula, first of all, relation between here MP and discount is given here, we easily find out the selling price. First of all, you find the selling price. Selling price is equals to 100 minus 12% of 5400. If the market price is 5400 and discount is 12%, what is selling price? Selling price is 4752 is the selling price. And again, profit is given here. So, using the formula of the profit is equals to SP minus CP. What is profit? Profit is 85 and selling price is just already 4752 and cost price is here, and change to another side cost price 4752 minus 85, then 4667 is the cost price. Hence, the cost price of the vacuum cleaner is 4667 is required answer. Got it everybody? Everybody clear? And next, question number 3. Next question please. The cost price of the mobile set is rupees 4000. It is cost price is given here. Cost price is 4000. Find the market price. Find the market price of the set so that there will be a profit of rupees 800 after allowing a discount of 20%. Question number 3. Cost price solution. CP is equals to RS 4000. Next, profit is equals to profit is equals to profit is equals to RS 800, and next discount is equals to 20%. MP is equals to accelerate, CP is equals to 4000, profit is equals to 8% and discount is equals to 20%. Find the mark price, and by formula SP is equals to 100 minus 20% of 100 minus 20% of MP. SP is unknown. 100 minus 20 means 80 divided by 100, of means into, MP means X, 0.8 X. What is that? Therefore, it is selling price. Selling price is 0.8x. Again, now using the formula of the profit is equals to SP minus CP. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. Profit is 800. Profit is 800 and selling price is just 0.8x minus cost price is 4,000 RS 800 plus 4,000 is equals to 0.8x. 0.8x is equals to 4800 and x is equals to 4800 divided by 0.8. What will be that? Using calculator please. 4800 divided by 0.8. 6,000 RS. 6,000 is the mark price. What is x? X means mark price. Hence, the mark price of the mobile set, hence mobile set is RS 6,000. Answer. Once more please. Market price is unknown here, so it will be x, and cost price is 4,000, profit is 800 and discount is to 20%. By formula SP is equals to 100 minus 20% of market price. So, 80 divided by 100 because percentage is 100 into x, 0.8x, it is selling price. And again profit is 800 is given here. So, using the formula of the profit is equals to SP minus CP, profit is equals to SP minus CP, profit is 800, 0.8x minus 4,000 and change to another side, it will be plus 0.8x is equals to 4800 divided by 0.8, then RS 6,000. Hence, mark price of a mobile set is 6,000. And next question please. Next questions. Next one. A shopkeeper mark his good 30% above the cost price. 30% above the cost price. And gives a discount of 10% on the mark price. What percent gain does he makes? Once more please. A shopkeeper mark his good 30% above the cost price and gives discount of 10% on the mark price. Next. Next please. Market price B MPB or MP is equals to X late. What's X late? MP is equals to RS X late. A shopkeeper mark his good 30% above the cost price and gives a discount of 10% on the market price. So, first of all, do not be let market price here X be CP. CP is X because mark price is 30% above the cost price. MP is equals to 100 plus 30% of RS X. 130 divided by 100 into X, then 1.3 X. What is that? That is MP. And selling price is SP is equals to 100 minus 10 again percent of MP. 90 by 100 into MP is 1.3 X. Calculate please here. Calculate 90 divide by 100 into 1.3. 1.17 X. That is selling price, and selling price is here, MP is here, and cost price is here. So, now here profit is equals to SP minus CP. What is selling price? 1.17 X minus cost price is X. Now here 0.17 X is the profit. So, again or further again means profit percent profit upon CP into 100%, profit is 0.17 X upon cost price is what's X into 100%, X cancel, 100 into 0.17, it will be 17%. 17% is the profit percent. So, it is required answer. Once more please, CP is X because MP is 30% above the cost price. So, 100 plus 30% of X, 130 by 100 into X, then 1.3 X, it is market price, and selling price is equals to 100 minus D percent means 10% of MP. So, it is selling price, and difference between them, selling price minus cost price, it will be profit 0.17 X, and further again profit percent is equals to profit upon CP into 100%. And dear students, my time is over. So, some questions are here. Please look at the screen. 1 and 2, same related questions. 1 and 2. This one is your homeworks. Practice please. And next 3 and 4. 3 and 4. That is also homeworks. And dear students, my time is over, and next coming Sunday at 8:30, sharp 8:30 will be next class on Sunday. Thank you everybody. Goodbye. Have a nice day.